What's up guys, it's Aziz here, my next painting video, and today the Sri Lankan acrylic painting series is finally back. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first of all, I start off with the background trees using a bluish green mixture. I paint the foliage using light yellows and light greens. And then, as I work my way towards the middle ground, I get darker and brighter in color, so it looks like as if we're coming closer into the picture, closer towards the foreground. And now I add the trunks of all the distant trees and all the middle ground trees. And now I begin on the bridge itself, using a light grey mixture, adding darker grey tones to the areas of shadow and highlighting the bricks using dark grey, and then adding light grey on top of this. I also mix in some yellowy, orangey colours to make it look as though the bricks have aged from the rust wearing down from the tracks. And then I begin on the arches themselves, using a dark grey mixture to show the shadow in the arches, and then highlighting the edge of the arch using white. I do the same for the second arch, except it gets lighter as it gets further away. The third arch is the same, it gets lighter as it's further away, and so on with all the other arches. And now I begin on the train, adding the distant carriages in light red and then working my way towards the foreground, adding darker tones of red. I leave spaces for the windows and doors as I fill them in with a dark grey sooner or later. I add the roof using light grey, and finally I add the doors and the windows. I add the bottom part of the train using a dark grey and adding highlights of white. And then I paint the edges of the door and the edges of the windows using white. And I finish off by detailing some of the arches and the train itself. And lastly, I add the people hanging out of the train. And that finishes it. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Train Ride on the 9 Arch Bridge. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos. And of course, don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LazizKout. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.